In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix update KB5046617 not installing on Windows 11 version 24H2. So, in case you're facing this issue, here's how to fix it. I'm going to show you 3 steps, and by doing all of these, hopefully we're going to solve your issue. The first one is going to be, we're going to look for services in here in the search box, so type in services. I'm going to open it as administrator. You don't have to if it will work for you without doing it. And then once this tab opens up, you want to look for app readiness. Here on the left, there's names. Look for app readiness. It should be somewhere at the top over here, as you can see. Now, what you want to then do is double click on it. And over here where it says startup type, you want to change from manual or whatever you have to automatic. Once you select automatic, simply click apply and then OK. Now, once you've done this, this is the first step. You can then try updating your computer, and if it doesn't work, go to step 2. Step 2 is as follows, okay? So what you want to do here is you want to open up the search box and type in troubleshoot. You want to go inside troubleshoot settings, and in here you want to click other troubleshooters. Over here you will see a few options, and you want to look for this one, which is Windows Update. What you want to do is click run over here and wait for this to complete. Now once that's done, restart your computer and see if your update will work. If it doesn't, proceed to the step 3, which is what I'm going to show you right now. Close this down and go yet again inside services. I'm gonna yet again open this up with an admin permission, but you don't have to if it works for you, as I said. So once you do this, what you want to do is look for Windows Update, and the easiest way to do this is, of course, to look via names over here and just press W on your keyboard. It will kind of switch to the W words, okay, to those names that start with W. Scroll down until you see Windows Update. It should be somewhere around here. There we go. It says Windows Update. It's actually the last one out of the Windows named ones. And once you have it, you wanna double click it. And make sure startup type is automatic here as well. Once you set it to automatic, press start over here. And then once you press start, you want to click apply or OK, whichever is available to you. Then wait a few seconds, right click on it, and then press restart. Now once you do this, you will have to basically repeat these steps for the background intelligent transfer service. So press B to move out there. There we go. Here it is. It's the background intelligent transfer service. So as I said, double click, put it to automatic, press start, and then wait a few seconds, and then right click it, press restart, and that's it. Then restart your computer and then try running up the Windows Update, and hopefully this will fix the issue for you. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.